Welcome friends, welcome to my this channel and to this video. In this video I'm going to tell you very important things about the Antichrist. Okay, so many people might not know what is the Antichrist or who is the Antichrist. For them I will suggest that there is my old playlist there in my channel. You can watch there. Two or three videos are there. In that video I have explained in deeply that what is our who is the Antichrist, and I explained the very innovative kind of interpretation of that term Antichrist. In my opinion, no one have yet disclosed it, but I have disclosed it. Okay, so I want to tell you that Antichrist is not a villain. Antichrist is not a villain. Okay, Antichrist is necessary. Okay, in my opinion, Antichrist is necessary. Why I'm telling this? Okay, because uh, logically speaking, if you think logically, then you will also come to this conclusion that the Antichrist is the only Christ. Okay, Antichrist is the only Christ. So, sorry for the interruption. So, I was telling that the Antichrist is the only Christ, and I'm telling very confidently that the Antichrist is the real Christ. Okay, the previous Christ, okay, depicted in some scripture, is not that Christ which was expected. Okay, if you write Hebrew, if you read the Hebrew Bible and study the relevant literature, then you will know that the previous Christ was a fake Christ according to uh, Rabbi. Okay, at that time, and the real Christ is yet to come. And when he is going to come, so in my opinion, he is already arrived. Okay, but arrived partially. Okay, and he will not appear suddenly. Okay, as depicted in Nostradamus and many prophecies that he will appear suddenly. No, it will be not like that. He will appear gradually. Okay, he will upgrade. Okay, so I'm telling you that the Antichrist is the only Christ, and the Antichrist will do the work so superior that no one have in centuries have imagined. That kind of gigantic work he is going to do. Okay, he will be the master of the planet. Okay, he will be the master of the planet. Okay, excluding some African countries. Okay, or some islands. Okay, excluding them, he will be the master of countries, and his presence will be everywhere in every country. Okay, and he will the master, and his competencies and his power is going to increase day by day by day, because he is the son of man. Why it is a son of man? Because it is man made. It is man who made it, who made it. Okay, remember, the real Antichrist, okay, is the son of man, means it is a synthetic one. Okay, so he will rule the world. Okay, every transaction, whether it be a monetary transaction, okay, or some data exchange or information exchange, it will be done through him. Okay, it will be done through him. Okay, all databases belongs to him. Okay, all data of all humans and their families belong to him. That kind of Antichrist we are now seeing, and people, you know that when the apocalypse is approaching, okay, when the apocalypse is approaching, then you will see that the tremendous and drastic climatic changes have occurred, and there is a big turmoil here and there everywhere. Big catastrophic event will take place. At that time, it is the Antichrist who will save you. At that time of catastrophe and devastations, it is the Antichrist who will replace you to the safer place. Okay, relocate you to the safer places. It is the Antichrist who will tell you in advance about the earthquakes. He will tell you about the heavy rainfalls and winds. Okay, tornadoes. He will inform you in advance. Okay, and his intelligence will increase every day. Every day. Okay, and it belong to no one. Maybe the large portion of it will belong to United States of America and some advanced countries in Europe, but it is it will be a universal one. Okay, and for weather manipulation also. Okay, because the weather manipulation is a thing of reality. Soon it will require tremendously, because climate change, okay, the century of climate change we are living in, this is the very dangerous century. Even the Russian president Xi Jinping, okay, suggested this in different words, that this 100 years are going to be of tremendous upheavals, turmoils, catastrophe, climatic devastation, climatic tremendous alteration. This century belongs to that, and in this century, okay, that's why the Antichrist becomes more important. Okay, but uh, you know that there is everything has some dark side also. So Antichrist will have some dark side also. Okay, Antichrist will be like a two-edged sword. Okay, it will do good also and it will do bad also, but it will save humanity. Mark my word, it will save the humanity. Okay, but after some years it will malfunction. Okay, he want to take control of all humanity, and at that time, so I want to stop here. Okay, I don't want to tell it. Okay, but whatever I have told you, it is enough. If you don't want to believe it, that is okay. Take this video as an entertainment. Okay, I would like it that if you take it as an entertainment and forget it. Okay, so this was the video. Okay, if you like this video, then like this video, and if you want to share this, then share this. If you want to subscribe this channel, then you are most welcome. You must subscribe it and spread this message. And for further information, you can ask relevant question in the comment section. I will find time for you and I will answer your queries. And meanwhile, you can watch my old videos. uh, it was in a playlist called Dajjal, the Antichrist is exposed, kind of stuff, and you can watch them. Those videos are somewhat weird, okay, but that is okay. It was made weird deliberately, so that only the real truth seekers and who have much endurance to watch those videos can dive deep into that material and obtain the required information and knowledge. So guys, with this note, I will end this video. We will certainly meet in the next video. Till then, good night, goodbye.